Having a golden thread of building information was one of the recommendations of the Hackett Review published in May 2018. The purpose of the golden thread is to create a permanent digital record for every building. It is to help those responsible for the building to understand everything about its design, construction and operation for its lifetime. In April 2020, MHCLG published its response to the Building a Safer Future consultation and announced that all 53 of the recommendations from the Hackett Review were going to be implemented. The response gave more clarity on the new regulatory regime and defined the duty holders for the design, construction and occupation phase of a building. The client, principal designer and principal contractor have a critical role in creating and maintaining the golden thread during construction. They are responsible for managing the key information relating to fire and structural safety that must be submitted to the Building Safety Regulator during the planning, construction and occupation gateways. At handover stage, all information about the final building should be submitted. This forms part of the golden thread data. When the building is ready to be occupied and has been approved, the golden thread will be handed over to the accountable person, who, alongside the building safety manager, will keep the golden thread updated with the latest building information. This includes any future refurbishment works. So what does this mean for Doorstop International fire doorsets? We have carried out multiple bi-directional furnace tests across our doorset range. The manufacture of each test sample is witnessed by an independent third party to ensure the specification is fully adhered to. We provide transparency through access to summary test evidence and certification for all stakeholders and third-party certification bodies. It's not just the doorsets that are tested either. Our factory and production control systems are audited as part of the third-party certification process. It means that we maintain complete control of every stage of the manufacturing process. This builds layer upon layer of assurance for our stakeholders. Our factory production control system also provides a digital golden thread of traceability for every single component and raw material that goes into each doorset. There are no second chances with fire doors. The specification must be maintained throughout the manufacturing process. Doorstop has developed a digital critical safety framework to check product compliance throughout the production process. Every doorset carries a series of traceability labels to show a clear link from a doorset that is installed in a building to its relevant certified specification. Each label has a unique serial number associated with the exact door manufactured. This provides the traceability along the golden thread. Our critical to safety measures and third-party audit process allows our doorsets to leave the factory with the needed level of assurance for stakeholders around our certification. The doorsets are shipped with detailed instructions to guide installers through every stage. These instructions must be followed to ensure that the door will perform as intended in the event of a fire. We recommend using a third-party certified installer to add additional assurance. We also include a resident guide. It has an easy-to-follow checklist to help residents understand their fire doorset and where they can get more information from if they have any concerns. The guide also helps identification of the doorset through the traceability label and explains how to access a copy of the fire certificate and data sheets. So, when you're checking a doorset, start with the labels. It's the first step along the golden thread of traceability. To find out more, visit our website masonite.co.uk/fire doorsets.